Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda Brio. What's new in terms of performance and availability? Let's find out. The Honda Brio has always been a favorite for city driving, but what upgrades can we expect for 2025? First up, let's discuss performance. How does the 2025 Brio perform on the road? With a refreshed engine design, Honda claims better fuel efficiency and improved power. But what does that mean for everyday driving? Will you feel the difference? Initial feedback suggests a smoother ride with responsive handling. But is it really the ideal choice for urban drivers? Let's dig deeper. Now let's talk technology. Will the 2025 Brio come equipped with the latest features? Yes, it includes an upgraded infotainment system with smartphone integration. But how intuitive is the interface? That's something many potential buyers want to know. And what about safety? The new Brio is expected to have advanced safety features. But how do these compare to competitors in its class? Let's tackle some burning questions. When will the 2025 Honda Brio be available? Reports suggest it should hit the market in early 2025. But will supply chain issues delay its launch? And how about pricing? While official numbers haven't been released, we can expect it to remain competitive in the small car segment. But will it offer the best value? So, will the 2025 Honda Brio live up to the expectations? What are your thoughts? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on this exciting model. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.